Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook's new mail alert sound. If you're tired of the default notification chime and want something that stands out more or simply matches your personal preference, this tutorial will show you exactly how to customize it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving forward. This ensures that all your settings will apply correctly once you make the changes. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the File tab to open the menu. This is where you'll access the core settings that control how Outlook behaves. When the File menu opens, look at the very bottom part of the menu and click on Outlook Options. An Outlook Options window will appear, giving you access to a wide range of customization features. From here, click on Mail from the left side menu. This section controls everything related to how your emails are received and displayed. Now scroll down through the Mail tab until you find the section labeled Message Arrival. This is where Outlook lets you control what happens when a new email comes in. Make sure that the option Play a sound when new message arrives is enabled. If it's not checked, go ahead and enable it now. Once you've confirmed it's turned on, click OK to save your changes. Now it's time to customize the actual sound file. Head to your Control Panel by pressing your Windows key and typing in Control Panel. When the Control Panel Items window appears, look for the Sound option and click on it. This is where Windows manages all system sounds, including the one Outlook uses for new mail notifications. A sound window will appear. From this window, click on the Sounds tab. You'll see a long list of program events that trigger different sounds on your system. Scroll down through this list until you find the New Mail Notification option. This is the specific event tied to Outlook's incoming email alert. Once you've selected New Mail Notification, look at the bottom part of the window. You'll see a Sounds drop-down menu. Simply choose any audio file from this list to play whenever a new email arrives. You can preview each sound by clicking the small play button next to the drop-down, so take your time and pick one that you'll enjoy hearing throughout the day. Once you've made your selection, click Apply to confirm the change, then click OK to close the window. And that's it. You've successfully changed Outlook's new mail alert sound to something that better suits your style. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.